Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. To start, I prepare my colors, some red and purple. I test them on the paper. A lighter purple. And then purple mixed with indigo to create a dark purple. This one for under the leaves and the shadows. Now our colors are ready. As you can see, I have drawn the sketch. With a round brush, I pick up the light purple and apply it to the paper in circular motion. Then I wash my brush and fade some area with water. I also add a bit of the darker purple. I add the dark purple under the leaves to create the leaves shadows. I repeat the same process for the next part. Some areas of the white paper will remain, and that's totally fine. There is no need to fill everything in. The shapes don't need to be precise. I'm just creating by pressing the brush onto the paper. Now I mix olive green with the same purple I was using, and I get a dark color. I also add some indigo, and I use this dark color for the trunk and the branches of the tree. I also add some brown. And I start from one side of the trunk with very thick paint. And I wash my brush and soften the other side with just water. I place the tree on the ground by using the same color to paint under it, adding a few dots to suggest bushes and grasses. With water, pulling the color down with brush. With a liner brush, I paint the thin branches. These can appear among the leaves, below them, or even extending beyond them. This depends on your own style. If you want to add more details, you can. But remember, adding too many of these isn't ideal either.